At Belimo, we've been developing and manufacturing field devices for heating, ventilation and air conditioning for many years. We offer an exceptionally wide range of HVAC sensors. Our room sensors measure temperature, humidity and CO2 and offer the highest accuracy and fastest response times. And when they are integrated with near-field communication, the room sensors allow easy data access, commissioning and troubleshooting with your smartphone. To further complement the range, we offer an exceptional range of HVAC sensors measuring temperature only or temperature and humidity combined for pipe, duct and outdoor air applications. The humidity sensors with polymer capacitive sensing elements are not affected by high humidity. They are ±2% accurate as standard and have a long-term drift of only less than ±0.25%. Our range of maintenance-free air quality multi-sensors can detect a combination of CO2, VOCs, humidity, temperature and dew point. Our self-calibrating dual-channel CO2 sensor based on NDIR technology allows effective compensation of long-term drift, thus providing long-term stability. We also offer inline flow sensors with ultrasonic technology that provide accurate and repeatable flow measurement in any application. The patented temperature and glycol compensation logic in these sensors eliminates any manual calibration steps. And our pressure sensors stand for zero-point stability and highest accuracy measurements of pressures, velocity, as well as differential pressures in air and water applications. The detachable mounting plates, removable terminal blocks and snap-on covers make installation and commissioning easy and intuitive. As a standard, sensors from Belimo are UL certified and enclosures are NEMA 4X and IP65 compliant tested. Just what you'd expect, Belimo sensors can be seamlessly integrated into any HVAC application and will deliver accurate and reliable measurement for years to come.